Welcome back, guys. Yesterday I did Draw Me Close to You, and today I want to do a tutorial of that song for you right now. So guys, I did this song in the key of C sharp, but we're going to do it today in C to make it easier to pick out. So the verse is going to go C, F over C, G over C, C, G over B, A minor, C over G, F, A minor, G, F major, 7. Then you repeat all that again. Then you do C over G, F over G, G, C. Now, I just went through those chords, but now we're going to play it so that you can hear those chord changes in time. Draw me close to you. Never let me go. I lay it all down again to hear you say that I'm your friend. You are my desire. No one else will do, 'cause nothing else could take your place. To feel the warmth of your embrace, help me find the way, bring me back to you. We go into the chorus, and the chorus is C, G over B, F over A. And it goes C, G over B, F over A, G over B. C, G over B, F over A, D minor, G, C. You're all I want. You're all I ever needed. You're all I want. Help me know you are near. Draw me close to you. Never let me go. I lay it all down again to hear you say that I'm your friend. You are my desire. No one else will do, 'cause nothing else could take your place. To feel the warmth of your embrace, help me find a way, bring me back to you. You're all Help me know you are near. Help me know you are near. Help me know you are near. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and check out some of the other things we're doing as well. God bless.